Coming up this week on Life on Jupiter. What went wrong with the screecher Furler? And will we ever find the solar panel guy?
I'm Princess and I'm a lounge singer.
I'm Jamie and I fly aeroplanes. We decided to take a year off and go sailing, but thanks to COVID, now we spend our life on Jupiter.
Welcome aboard and join us on our circumnavigation.
So this is the Furler from the screecher, which failed us yesterday. The rope keeps jumping out of the roller. It's a little stiff as well. This is all since it went for a swim in the Atlantic Ocean. I think I'm going to have to take it apart completely and see what's going on. But I can see that the disc, where the rope goes around, has been bent upwards, I think. It seems to be on an angle. Anyway, we've got to get this running right because it's a bit scary when you cannot furl a screecher when you need to, like yesterday. It's lucky I didn't go walking out on that prodder yesterday because the whisker rope has frayed. It's just the cover that's broken. The dynama's okay, but things are starting to fall apart. We need to replace this one and the other one. It's the same rope. So you can see the rope jamming on the bottom disc now. These pulleys in the disc is not lined up any longer. It seems that this has been pulled downwards and bent downwards, so I'm going to have to try and squeeze it back up. I think it's a bit better.
Shannon?
See this black mark? Follow the wheel. So this bottom part of the disc was bent a little bit and rubbing, but I think I've straightened it out now. The damage done to the Furler was caused by when we dropped it in the South Atlantic Ocean. The force of the water in the sail bent the Furler as it was pulled against the furling lines. Well, perhaps a little bit surprisingly, the hammer and the pliers did the trick. Morning. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning in Tyrrell Bay, Carriacou. A little bit of an exciting day. We've got a guy bringing some solar panels that I'm going to buy. I'm going to get 4 more solar panels. It's about 680 watts extra at the moment. I've got 500 watts there. Now we just got to try and find a good place to put these things. Waiting, waiting.
Waiting for the solar panels.
Yeah. It's very hot and still. And it may even rain soon. Like yesterday. Showers come through all day. Where on earth is this guy? Maybe we're in the wrong spot. We'd better try the marina on the other side of the bay. How you doing?
Hi!
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Ah, I recognize that bark. There we go, 21. So this guy bought a bunch of solar panels for his house, and these were excess to his requirements. So they were basically brand new, and they were at a good price. So Princess wants the solar panel up here. I want it down on the deck. What do you think? For a start, the tracks, it doesn't sit flat, it sticks up at the end there. It's no good on the roof. Before we go back to Grenada, we've got to go for a snorkel in these crystal clear waters of Tyrrell Bay. So nice, Caribbean, that you could just go to the nearest island, which is like 20 miles away, to go to a chandlery. Need some bits and pieces. For the solar panels we need rivets, we need some more angle, aluminium angle. Gonna buy window extenders so that we can tilt and lock the panels. And we could just go 20 miles and there's a chandlery. There's actually 3 chandleries, or 4, anyway. It's a bit different to Asia. In fact, it's very different to Asia, where you have to have it flown in, basically. There are no chandleries. Phuket had 1.5 or 2 chandleries. And that's about it. Like in the Philippines, nothing. Oh, they had a tiny little one there. They don't sell little bits and pieces, they just sell dinghies and kayaks and stuff. So yeah, very cool. Even with COVID and no transport aeroplanes coming in or anything, you can still pretty much get what you need. Well, compared to Asia. I like it. I like it a lot. Well, we'll see you guys next week when we install and upgrade our solar panel system.